I'm sure you've heard the news. Paper crafts are the new favorite DIY trend. Let's make a gorgeous basket together. First, gather your materials. You'll need colorful craft paper, scissors, a ruler, glue, or double-sided tape, and maybe some ribbons or beads for decoration. Step 1. Pick your paper. Choose vibrant colors for a lively look. Cut 10-12 strips, each about 1 inch wide and 12 inches long. Step 2. Lay out 5 or 6 strips vertically on a flat surface with small gaps in between. Weave the remaining strips horizontally, alternating over and under. Tighten and adjust to form the base. Step 3. Fold the loose ends up to create the sides. Weave more strips horizontally around the edges until you reach your desired height. Secure with glue or tape. Step 4. Want a handle? Cut another strip and attach it inside the basket. Step 5. Time to decorate. Add ribbons, beads, or any fun embellishments. And voila! Your beautiful paper basket is ready. Perfect for home decor or as a thoughtful handmade gift. If you enjoyed this, like, share, and subscribe for more fun DIY projects.